Hello, I am currently developing a game called Chaos in the City. It's a co-op top-down shooter zombie survival game that throws you into the chaos of a city in the early stages of a zombie apocalypse. In this game, you spawn into a procedurally generated city that's falling apart. Zombies infest the streets, chasing down desperate survivors, and you'll see buildings burning down, cars zooming past, and total chaos everywhere. As the player, you control a survivor. You can pick up guns, swords, grenades, and you can use those to kill zombies and survivors that get in your way. You will also be able to find and drive vehicles. Your goal is to escape the city while witnessing the collapse of society around you. Plus, this game has multiplayer capabilities, so you'll be able to team up with your friends and face the chaos together. So this is the progress so far. The player character is set up, you can move around, you can pick up weapons, and you can attack. The weapon system is also ready, the guns are working, you can shoot, you can reload. The melees are also working, you kind of just slash your weapon and they deal some damage and they knock the zombies back. For the grenades are thrown based on your mouse position and your movement. So if you're standing still, the grenade basically goes to where your mouse is. And if you throw a grenade while you're moving, if you throw it in the same direction you're moving in, it will add to that velocity. If you're moving in the opposite direction, it's gonna decrease the velocity. There are a few more things that need to be added. I have to code the NPC behaviors, making it so that the zombies chase the survivors, and also adding in hostile and friendly survivors, making them pick up guns, shoot at threats, and run away from threats. After that, I'm going to work on the vehicles. I'm going to make it so that you can drive cars, you can fill the cars up with gas, and then just crash into zombies and survivors. Then I'm going to work on a system for procedurally generating the city. Probably just having predefined blocks that can be customized, and then I'll just procedurally spawn them in and randomize them. After that, I'm going to work on a game director that spawns in zombies, survivors, loots, and also handle generating the city. And then it would just be some final touches like adding in the UI, the audio, and maybe a tutorial, maybe an account system, but for the tutorial and account system is really if I have extra time. This game originally began as a group project in college. That version includes NPCs and vehicles, and if you're interested, you can check it out on itch.io. The link is in the description below. The only part I didn't create in that version were the vehicles. Now I am rebuilding the entire game from ground up in multiplayer and finalizing it by myself. I am aiming to have a playable demo with the NPCs and vehicles ready in October. By November, I plan to release another demo with the procedurally generated city. After that, I'll finalize the UI, the audio, and hopefully I'll release a completed version in December. This video also kicks off a progress report series for the game, which will essentially function as a devlog. So I'm gonna showcase new changes and features, but in addition to that, I'm gonna cover my progress on Kickstarter, marketing, and other aspects related to the game's development. These progress reports will be short 1 to 2 minute videos, so if you're interested, stay tuned. If you have any ideas, suggestions, or advice, feel free to leave a comments down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video and see you next time.